Hey everyone, and welcome to our review of the Intex Explorer 2-person inflatable kayak with aluminum oars. If you're in the market for a reliable and affordable inflatable kayak, then this might be just the one for you. In this video, we will be sharing my thoughts on this kayak, its features, and its overall performance. First, let's talk about the design and construction of this kayak. The Intex Explorer is made of durable materials that can withstand the elements and is designed to be puncture-resistant. The kayak is equipped with inflatable seats and backrests that provide a comfortable and supportive ride. It also comes with an inflatable I-beam floor for added stability and rigidity. The kayak is 10 feet long and can hold up to 400 pounds, making it perfect for two people. One of the standout features of the Intex Explorer is its removable skeg. The skeg is a small fin that attaches to the bottom of the kayak and helps to improve its tracking and maneuverability. With the skeg attached, the kayak glides through the water smoothly and efficiently. Another great feature of this kayak is its two inflatable seats with backrests. These seats are adjustable and can be moved to accommodate different paddler heights and preferences. The Intex Explorer comes with two lightweight aluminum oars that are easy to assemble and disassemble. The oars have a comfortable grip and are designed to provide maximum control and power with minimal effort. The oar locks on the kayak are also adjustable, allowing you to position the oars for optimal paddling performance. Now let's talk about the kayak's overall performance. The Intex Explorer is easy to inflate and deflate, making it perfect for those who don't have a lot of storage space. Once inflated, the kayak is stable and easy to maneuver. It tracks well in the water, and the removable skeg also helps to keep it on course. The kayak is also lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for those who like to explore new waterways. Thanks for watching our review of the Intex Explorer 2-person inflatable kayak with aluminum oars. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and videos.